transferring Trust Wallet to another device is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your Trust Wallet into any of the other device. So as we know, Trust Wallet is one of the most secure crypto wallets. So how you guys can transfer it from one device to another. Suppose you are changing your phone, or you want your account to be logged into any different device. So how can you do that? The process is pretty simple. You just need to remember the logins that you have while creating the account of your Trust Wallet. You have your login credentials that you need to set up some login credentials that you can use later on to log in. So you just need to simply delete the app from your device. You just have to uninstall the app from one device, and you need to install the app on other device. After installing the app on other device, you just need to, log into your existing account, and you need to log into your account. So that's how easily you can change the device on your Trust Wallet, or you can easily transfer your Trust Wallet from one device to another device. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can transfer your Trust Wallet from one device to another device. Hope you guys find this video helpful.